The ASX surges as the Democrats win the Senate. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.Heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee and let's have a look at this article from Yahoo Finance. They're saying the ASX surges as the Democrats flip Senate amid the US Capitol chaos. Now, I have looked at what's happening over in the US on my other channel, HeiseSaysUS. I will pin to that, or it's pinned to that. It should appear in this video in a moment above my head. Have a look at that if you want to see the video I did on that. But the ASX is surging according to Yahoo Finance. Let's jump over here to Trading Economics, and we can see at open today, well, there you go, nearly up 100 points in one hit. So there you have it. So it's definitely going to be an interesting day on the stock exchange today here in Australia to see what is going on. If we jump over Forex, we're sitting at 78 US cents. And of course, well, everything is surging in the US. The Dow Jones is at an all-time high. The S&P 500 is almost at an all-time high. Just check. Yep. And the Nasdaq has literally, it's come down a little bit. So it's, it's there still, but give it some time. It'll shoot right back up. So let's have a look at this. The Australian stock market is surfing the blue wave after Democrats flipped the US Senate in their favor for the first time in 6 years. Now, why would the share market shoot up for this, at least in the US? Well, what do you think is going to happen? Well, money printing. The market's decoupled from reality, I think. It doesn't really reflect what's happening. You've got businesses that are going for IPOs that are being listed that are making no profit at all and potentially can't even make a profit, and they're just going crazy. So we are literally in a clown world. The S&P ASX 200 has opened 1.35% higher to 6,696.2 points after finishing down more than 1% on Wednesday. The broader All Ordinaries Index also gained 1.29% to 6,970.1 points at the opening of trade. It comes after Wall Street's major indexes, the Dow Jones and S&P 500, closed the session higher as the Georgia Senate runoff unfolded. So, what happened in the US? The Dow Jones finished 1.44% higher to 30,829.4 points. The S&P 500 finished 0.57% higher to 3,748.14 points, and the Nasdaq closed 0.61% lower to 12,740.78 points. Democratic Senators Raphael Warnock and John Ossoff beat Trump-backed Kelly Loeffler and David Perdue, securing President-elect Joe Biden's control of the Senate. Well, there you go. So they've lost control of the House. They've lost control of the Senate. Have they lost control of the House? Well, they've lost control of the Senate. That's the most important thing. This means the Republican Party has officially lost control of the Senate after 6 years of holding the majority in the chamber. Now Biden and his party control both houses. Whoa, okay, so they lost Congress. They lost both houses. Both houses of Congress, and can likely bank on smooth sailing when trying to pass laws. Meanwhile, US Capitol remains under lockdown as pro-Trump protesters storm the building following a mass rally. Congress was due to confirm President-elect Joe Biden's win against Donald Trump, but the session was interrupted by what Biden deemed a siege. Protesters have been pictured inside the building in a standoff with police, while law enforcement officials confirmed to CNN explosive devices have been found in the complex and at the nearby Republican National Committee. They have since been detonated and deemed safe. A woman was also reportedly shot dead inside the House of Representatives chamber, while a police officer was taken to hospital and others are being treated for their injuries. So things are going a bit crazy in the US. It's going to be interesting to see how this year plays out and how order and peace is restored to a truly divided nation. And, well, the markets, they're just going to keep going crazy, everyone. Money printer goes brr. If we have a look at our commodities, gold is at 19.23. It's gone off a bit. Silver is at 27.22. We can see here, silver as well. If we jump and have a look at Bitcoin, it's at 37,091. I recorded a video earlier today. It was at 36,000. Will it reach that $40,000 mark? Are people flooding into Bitcoin because of all of the uncertainty and concerns that are happening in the United States? And I know there are a lot of people there that are thinking, okay, you know, oh, the questions about the election and what's going on. But one thing you also have to realize is that you may have a whole lot of low information voters, that they blame Trump for everything that is actually the governor's responsibility, or they're just frustrated that they didn't get their $2,000 of money when, you know, it was vetoed, and that's all they see. They don't realize there were all these other rubbish things attached to that bill that are probably doing them worse. But anyway, guys, we'll have to keep an eye on it. It's definitely going to be something interesting to follow this year. As always, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. If you're a fan and want to support the content I talk about here, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. Support us using our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or AussieBroadband. You can buy merch from HeiseSays, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.